Hello guys, today we'll discuss a very important problem from class 8-9 level triangle chapter, and that is from the congruency of triangles. So let us start with the example, the problem. The question is, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC and vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. If AD is extended to intersect BC at P, show that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. AP bisects angle A as well as angle D, and AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So there are four parts. So let's solve it one by one. So first of all, this will be the diagram. And as it is already mentioned that AD is extended to intersect BC at point P. So let's extend AD to point P. Okay, now ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. So here we have triangle ABC and here we have triangle DBC. So they are isosceles triangles. So let us assume that AB and AC are equal, BD and CD are also equal. So our first question is, we have to prove triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Let us start with the solution. So this is triangle ABD and this is triangle ACD. We will prove they are congruent. So in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, first of all, this AB and AC, we assumed they are equal. So please mention AB equals to AC, and definitely you have to mention the side note given. We can assume as given. Next, BD and CD are also equal, we assumed. So BD equals to CD, there also we have to mention given. Third condition, the side AD is common to both the triangles. The side AB is common to both the triangles. AD is common to both the triangles. So that means AD is equals to AD, which is the common side. So uh, with the help of these three conditions, we can simply say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by SSS criteria of congruency. So our first part is done. Now, whenever we prove these two triangles are congruent, now remember, each and every part of these two triangles corresponding parts are always equal. So can we also say that these two angles are also equal, that is angle BAD and angle CAD. So angle BAD equals to angle CAD. Why they are equal? Just mention the side note as corresponding parts of congruent triangles and mark it as equation number 1. So now we will start the second part. So this will help for the second part. That's why we have to mention this angle BAD and angle CAD. Okay. Next, our second part. So from the first part, we already got angle BAD and angle CAD equal. So we already marked it as number 1, equation number 1. Next, second part, we have to prove ABP, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. So this is triangle ABP, this is triangle ACP. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP. Okay, let us check what are the equal parts. Number 1, angle BAP is equals to angle CAP. So from 1, what we got? So from in 1, just look at this. In 1, we have angle BAD and angle CAD equal. So now D and P are on the same straight line. That's why in place of angle BAD, we can simply use angle BAP, and in place of angle CAD, we can simply use CAP. That's why it is written from 1. Okay, this is the first criteria which we got from the previous part, previous two congruent triangles. So that's why we wrote it. This is the first criteria. Second criteria, this side and this side are equal. That is AB equals to AC. This is already given. And the third criteria is this one, which is common to both the triangles. That is AP is equals to AP, which is common to both the triangles. That is common side. So again, we use the three, we already got the three parts. So that means triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. By which criteria this one? This one is SAS, side angle side criteria. So our second part is also done. Now, we already proved the second part. Second, triangle ABP and triangle ACP are congruent. Now, can we also write this BP equals to CP? This BP equals to CP. Mark it as equation number 2 and corresponding parts of congruent triangles. And we can also mention these two angles are equal. That is, angle APB is equal to angle APC. Mark it as equation number 3 and same reason corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this will help us to prove the third one. That's why we have to mention BP and CP equal and angle APB and angle APC equal. Now let us start the third part. So from the second part we got BP and CP equal, and we have to prove AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. Okay, so BPD in triangle, this is this is triangle BPD and this is triangle CPD. So we will prove they are congruent. So first of all, in triangle BDP and triangle CDP. Okay, let us check which parts are equal. First of all, already it is written that BP equals to CP, number 2. So first we will first we will take BD and CD are equal, as we already assume these two sides are equal. So BD equals to CD given. Next, BP equals to CP. This is from number 2. BP equals to CP from 2. And the third condition, as you can already guess it, that is DP equals to DP. This is the common side to both the triangles. So DP equals to DP, common side. So again, by using S side, we can show triangle BDP is congruent to triangle CDP. But our question is AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. So after proving their congruent, so easily we can mention that angle BDP is equals to angle CDP. So by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. That means AP bisects angle BDC. We already got AP bisects angle BDC because BDP and CDP are equal. That means definitely AP bisects angle BDC. And already we know that AP bisects angle A. So that means AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. So our third part is also done. Now the last part and the final part. Okay. From the second part, we also got angle APB equals to angle APC. We marked it as equation number 3, and BP equals to CP also we marked it as equation number 2. So this will help to prove the fourth one. So what is the fourth one? AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So since AP stands on BC, this one we have to show. Just look at this. AP stands on BC. So angle APB plus angle APC will be equals to 180 degree because they are linear pair. Next, as APB and APC are equal, so in place of APC we also mention APB because APC and APB are already equal from equation number 3. So this will be equals to 180. This is from 3. Next, twice APB equals to 180 degree. APB equals to 180 divided by 2, that is 90 degree. So angle APB came 90 degree. So our everything is done. Now we will just conclude all these things. So BP and PC are equal. This is from 2 we are getting. And here just now we got APB equals to 90 degree. So 90 degree and it is bisecting also. So that means AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Hence proved all the 4 parts are done. So this is a broad question. So one by one you have to prepare properly, you have to practice it properly, then only you can answer this kind of question. So first of all of you have to break the questions. There are already 4 parts. You have to break the questions one by one. You have to understand the parts. Then only we can solve the whole question. Okay. Thank you.